On this on May 16th, this was interesting. This is a few days before we started our class in early and mid-May, but posting this in the Extreme Weather and Science and in the News, basically just kind of a follow-up on some other tidbits I've shared about the hurricane season forecast and such. This was, again, issued on May 16th. Philip Klotzbach, who is with the Colorado State University Hurricane Forecast Research Unit there, this was interesting. He tweeted this out today on May 16th. Today's ocean heat content in the Atlantic's main development region, which is the MDR for hurricanes, is typically reached on August 1st. We're currently running about 2.5 months ahead of schedule. And we look at this chart, and it's interesting. First off, that main development region is that red boxed in area. You can see out over the tropical Atlantic from the coast of Africa up through the Caribbean and near the Gulf of Mexico. That's the main development region. But notice the temperature trend here. The blue line is the average temperature trend that we see, that the water temperatures that feed energy to these storms as they develop in the hurricane season. That blue line is the average temperature. Okay, obviously it goes up into September and October. The lag effect, I've mentioned in some other content in this course about how it takes longer for the oceans to heat up. So even though we're late summer or fall with the warmest ocean temperatures, is because it takes longer for that heat to be absorbed by the water. But the important factor here is that the average temperature of the water in that zone, that red zone in August, is now being reached in mid-May. Okay, that red line, May 15th, is matching up with the line that we would typically see in August. So the point of Dr. Klotzbach's post was that we're running way ahead of schedule in terms of the warming of the waters of the ocean, and what can this mean in terms of how warm is it going to be later in the season when it's prime time, and prime time for hurricane development is typically August and September. So there's great concern that this will actually be a very busy hurricane season. So again, really good, cool post here. If you want to follow his feed, if you're on X, that social media platform, he posts quite frequently, and he's a good follow there. So that's it for this small little post on extreme weather and science in the news.